Hi, I'm Megan Anderson. I'm with OSU Extension Office, and today I have with me
Wesley Anderson.
and he's with the Clover Buds, and he's also my son. So we're going to show you today how to make a fun card that can light up with you're using a simple LED light and a battery. So is that it? We're going to show them the supplies. So okay, so we're going to show you what we're going to make. So we're going to switch cameras. For this project, you're going to need some basic cardstock paper.
Yeah, we're going to need basic cardstock paper.
Aluminum foil.
Aluminum foil. And we're going to cut that out. So we're going to cut that out.
What,
and then we're going
what are all of the things we've got here?
We got light bulbs. We got this. A Sharpie. We got 2 pieces of paint. We have glue. We'll have to set to make snow. And we also will have Rudolph work on front.
Okay, so the first thing that you want to start with, you hand me my card over there.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's time to do my card?
Okay. So we're gonna show you how we made this. So probably the first thing you want to start with is to make the inside of this here. So whenever you're putting this together, I would suggest starting with the inside, and then you could go back and decorate later. So you'll take your aluminum foil, and we feel it's easiest if you draw your circuit path here. So you're going to put where your battery goes. You want to get that battery over there for me? So, and then you're going to want to cut this out. Now your light is going to go in between here.
Yeah, as you see it, the battery is going to go right here.
Yeah, and it'll go right there. You'll take it on there. So this connects it. We actually pulled this one from a basic tea light candle. So if you happen to have a tea light candle, since it's Christmas and those are pretty easy to find, you can just pull that out of there. So and you can actually get 2 of those.
So we are going to draw a big square. Would you have to cut it or anything?
It's okay. We're going to use this one actually. So once you get that cut down for your path, and you are going to need to have a hole. So we'll just kind of punch that. We're just going to... I guess we're just showing you where it goes. You're gonna put where that LED light needs to go.
Yeah, the LED light's gonna go where the circles go.
And you'll put that through here.
Yeah, you put that right through there.
And I really do feel like the basic tea light candle LED worked the easiest. So, and you just tape those down. We actually flipped ours up. But you can just tape this aluminum foil down.
Yeah, you'll be taping it down, and then this piece is gonna go up, and then is it just? Then after we tape it, then we're actually gonna use this stuff, and then it's gonna go right here. Then after it goes right there, then we're gonna put the batteries.
That's the part. This actually is the part that's the black. So make sure when you do it, you don't want to.
When can I take it?
Yeah. Well, the battery goes there. Who grabbed that battery? Where'd it go?
The battery's right.
So we're gonna put the battery on here.
Now we're gonna put the battery, put it on, and after
we're gonna tape half of that down so that you can still have a good connection.
Half down. That's just. Okay, and then we connected it over.
Okay, and we're going to make sure that this is crossing these 2. So you can see it kind of flickers a little bit, so you know you've got to hook up good once you see it starting to flicker. And you can always, if you need to shorten this a little bit, that way, if you need it a different length, So we're going to put that on here, and then we can tape that.
Then there will be tape. This.
And you can flip this up. I felt like it secured it, and it kept it really. Do you want to take this one? Or we'll kind of. We'll fold it around that a little bit better.
I'll take it right.
Now let's flip left. Because we have to put that down here. So
what do I see?
we're going to put that glue. So we're going to take the piece of cardstock here.
Oh, it goes on. Oh, this. Why not put this anywhere?
Yeah, hang on just a minute. We can secure another spot.
Now I hook it here.
And that way, once you can tape it right there. You can tape it right there. Okay, and once you shut that,
And if
it lights up.
yeah, you put it by that will light up.
So let's flip it down. So you're gonna want to glue your reindeer, and you can decorate this however you want to. We think it's cute by the nose, and then you can glue all of this and
yeah.
however you want to.
Yeah.
I'm gonna glue him.
Yeah, I'll glue it. No, I'm gluing stuff.
Okay.
Okay, now as you see, we're gonna glue this stuffing on the bottom. Then we're gonna glue it. Let me tell you. Now since we did that, we're gonna glue all of it. Since we're gluing all of it. Now after you're done gluing it, then we'll stick the snow right on it. So there's the snow.
Put Rudolph or glue Rudolph.
And then we're gonna glue Rudolph.
Alrighty.
That's what the what's the lid?
You gotta make sure this battery is taped down good, but you don't want to lose your
And you can color it.
spot.
You can color it or paint it if you want. You can color it or paint it if you want to. You can color it or paint it if you want to, but you can do whatever you want to.
Okay. Alrighty.
So
These are what our finished cards look like. You can get a full list of supplies and step-by-step instructions on kiwico.com/DIY. This is a great project that you and your family can do together, but remember, small batteries can be dangerous to children, to keep those out of reach, and for you and your family to have a safe and happy holidays from the Extension office.